Okay, guys. Could you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's see here. OC get pods, -o pod YAML. So all things now we get into the chapter 5, and you know how to create the application. You can create the application. How you can create the application?
Sir, excuse
So
me,
what's
sir.
the
I have a
method? What's the
doubt.
command you can use
new
it? What's the TBR? Can you tell me?
Sir,
OC new hyphen app, hyphen name. So you can give any name. Okay, test. Okay, then you can get your HTTPD. Then you can get the
sir,
cluster
your
IP type.
screen is
Cluster not came up. So let's have one more time.
is okay, sir. Okay now. Notepad is
your
notepad.
screen is moving very slowly, sir. I think there is some network issue.
Okay.
Sir, actually, what for we are creating YAML file? Because if you want to create a pod, we are using this OC new app, no, sir. If we give this command, the pod is being created. Then what for you are using this YAML file, sir, to edit the content of the pod or what?
Listen, when we can go for YAML file means if you want to customize your, this is an automated one. This is automated one. What is this? Automate. For example, I want to create the node port. Node port, I want to create manually. I want to create manually. So if I manually, if you want to perform some task, okay, manual, MANU, manual, okay. If you want to perform something task in the manual format, then we go for the pod concept. So that's what I'm given here.
Okay.
You see in this case, this is an explanation. And if you see, the simple concept is here is, I can show you. See, this is the AIM API version, kind, metadata, name, labels, API. Right here we can see the specification. Okay, what kind of specification is this? Container. What's the container name? Test. What's the image name? You are pulling HTTP. And what's the port number? Then because if you, what actually in now in the automatic case, it automatically assign everything. You can assign the container port, you can assign the image, it can assign the name, or it can assign the app, it can assign the label, metadata, it can assign by their own. Okay, but here we need to give manually and see the service. So next, if you want to attach a service, if a service automatically created, right? Service will create, deployment will create, replica set will create, like everything will create by their own. But in this case, we have to create by ourselves. That is what the difference between that and this. You got it, Ma?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So if you see here, what's the type you are using here?
Node port.
Node port. Here, if you want the cluster IP means you can make it as cluster IP also. You got it? For example, you can replace anything, cluster IP or node port, or you can load balancer. Hey, any name you can change it here, all external name. Now you got it? Why I'm going for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is only you can get in the default format. Okay, node port, load balancer, and external name you can manually need to assign it. Same time, for the node port only, the range will come. See here, I given the range. So this you can take 3001. That application will be deployed with this kind of number. Okay, followed by working DNS operator. Work with the DNS operator. As you know that yesterday I showed you OC get network cluster slash, or you can give space cluster -o YAML also. Yesterday I given this command. Have you noted down? Or otherwise you can run it now. Go back here and also pretty. Then go for it. 1 second, ma, I'm just accessing. Okay, ma. We can discuss now. I'm going to connect now. So this method. The token is expired. Okay, ma. What is you notice here? OC get ports. Okay. And OC get SBC cluster IP. I want to create the node port. What I supposed to do? Yesterday also I showed you how to fix it, ma. You can see the node port service. Service. You can see it, right? So what we mentioned here, what type it is?
CD.
What type, ma? Node port. In the
YAML.
code, if you want to assign any kind of things, if okay, this is a method you can get it. I don't actually still I want to create it. If you go to company, how I can manage. Okay, for example, you are in ChatGPT. Okay, I can ask the pod, please create the YAML file for the pod and as well as the node, means it automatically builds you. Such a wonderful tool, you can use it here, and with the help of that you get it. Okay, what's the next option? The next option you go for me. I will tell you the next option as well. Whatever. I'm same time how to.
Again, Vivek sir, so line is lost, right?
Yes.
Hello, guys. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, not able to hear anything from the Excel.
Yeah, yeah. Same issue for me also.
Joined again.
Network
Yeah,
issue.
again, sir.
Tell me, Vasant. Yeah, that's
Sir,
the network
your
issue.
screen, sir, your screen has stuck, sir.
And the network issue, ma.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
நெட்வொர்க் டாபிக் தான் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். நெட்வொர்க் டாபிக்ல தான் நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூஸ் வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. We are
Okay, sir.
discussing what topic?
Networking, sir.
Network topic, right? So
Yeah, sir.
network issues are coming now. What to do? So I have the diagram for you to understand the pass through and route. So you can easily understand that concept very easily. I take you to that one. Python code. Where it is, OCP. You can using route examples. Okay, now more is accessible, ma? You hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Some challenges are there, or some challenges. You're not able to hear me?
Yeah, able to hear.
Okay, this is what I'm looking for.
We have lost again.
Oh, Babre, why this many times it is? Okay, now hope you see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the internet is came. So previously connected with the hotspot. Can you tell me what is your notice area, Mr. Vasant?
Sir, pass through is directly passing for the
What is
node,
that?
sir. Pass through.
Okay,
Pass
pass
through.
through.
Directly passing them. Directly
Directly you are
passing the
passing,
message.
yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Directly you are passing this area. So that's why they call it as what? So this is a user, router, and your application.
Yeah, sir. Application.
Okay, so user want to connect to your pod, that means your application, through the router. So in your home also we have a switch router, something if you want to connect to internet. So with the router helps you to distribute your traffic. Okay, so distribute your request, what you are getting here. So route your request. So you can see the user from, this is a normal method. This is a normal method. What's another one? I said EPS, Edappadi Palaniswamy. That concept only we are discussing here. Okay, ma. Edappadi Palaniswamy concept only we are discussing here. Okay, so you can see it. The one important thing here means you can see that ma. Edge. While reaching the application, it is in not secured way. This is not secured. Which one is secured here?
HTTPS.
HTTPS is a secured one. If this is 443, and again the port number is 80, like that. Okay, which one is here? Re-encryption. It go to here to the router, and again it will re-encrypt. Re-encryption is double time.
Okay.
If example, it is coming like a 1, this 1 converted as a XYZ 1 2 3 1 2 3 XYZ, like this some conversion is happening. Again, this conversion is happening to A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, like that. Again, it will modify. Then it will reach to the application. So we can secure our application in through the network. Okay. So followed by we have the thing called pass through. What is this?
Pass through.
Pass through. The pass through will directly pause your router. This method will pause your router. So pause it. So you forgot this one, this concept? So
No.
what you have to know in interview, what you have to say? User, router,
Or
and pod. So shall I share you the URL? You can also use it to easy to see that. I already posted in the our chapters. If you have the chapter, you can see that. Okay, you can see that, ma.
To pass through which protocol it is used?
All are using a TLS certificate, and also we are using a TLS and certificate. Both we supposed to use it here. I'm going to show you what command and how it's going to use it. Let's go to here. Thanks for asking the question. Okay, so you can see the first case. Okay, we are working on here is called edge router. So the edge, what you can see it, which one is what condition this is? Security, what's the kind of security level?
Moderate.
moderate.
Moderate. Okay. Termination, what termination we are using here?
TLS.
TLS. What is the use case of this edge? Can anyone read out this?
HTTP to HTTPS.
What route? Can you tell me out? Edge route are you suitable?
When you want to terminate traffic at the OpenShift router, external load balancer, and HTTPS request to your
application pod. Okay, this type of route is often used for a public facing application. Okay. What's a pass through? What's security level?
It's high.
It's high. Okay. What termination it is?
No TLS.
No TLS termination.
Okay.
At the router level.
Because it is directly paused to the at the end. It directly going to pause the end.
Okay.
Okay. No TLS termination at the router level. Okay. What's the use case here?
Pass-through routes are more secure as they allow TLS traffic to be directly handled by the application pods. This type of route is suitable for application that
end-to-end encryption. Why they are saying end-to-end encryption? You can see it here. It one end to another end. Directly it is moving.
okay.
End to end.
This end to this end.
So
what type of encryption?
end to end.
End to end.
EEE encryption. End-to-end encryption. Clear, ma?
But Vivek, we saw edge is the lowest and re-encryption.
Which one is the lowest means? This is the lowest one. Edge is the lowest one. Pass-through is the middle one. And highest one is re-encryption. What is this?
Okay.
Highly secured.
Highly secured. Why you are highly secured? 2 times encryption is happening. 2 time நடக்குது பாருங்க. இங்கிருந்து இங்க வந்து முடிஞ்சு மறுபடியும் ஒரு தான் encryption நடக்குது. புரியுதா இல்லையா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is doing 2 times encryption. 2 time நடக்குது. அதனால இது securedன்றாங்க. Highly securedன்றாங்க. Okay. இப்ப பாருங்க. Now you can read out this.
TLS termination at the router level and then re-encrypted traffic is sent to the application pods over the internal network.
Okay, what's another one?
Re-encrypt routes are the most secured option when you need TLS termination at the router level to handle incoming requests from external clients securely. The traffic is then encrypted and forwarded to the application pods over the internet network, protecting the data transmission between the router and the pods.
Okay. So you know that one we are doing here 2, 1, 2, 3. You can see this is what edge is less than pass-through route, and pass-through is less than the edge route. So you have to say which one is greater here. So this is greater part, and this is greater part compared to that one. A comparison is given here. Which one is the comparison? We can see that. Okay, so let's see what command we can use to create the edge pass-through and re-encryption. I can give some time for you first to note it down in your notebook. These commands: edge, how to create edge, how to create pass-through, how to create re-encryption. Okay, so have you noted down one? Have you noted down? So what are the commands we can use it
Yes.
here?
OC create route edge.
So what's your understanding of all these commands now?
Creating all the routes.
Okay, we can create all the route. So it shows clearly EPS at Eddapadi Palaniswamy like that. Okay, edge, pass through everything. So you will forget this command. Is easy, right? OC create
OC
route.
create route.
Just use a tab button in your keyboard. It shows clearly all those available things for you. Right?
Okay.
OC create route. Okay, and all those things. Just to go through one more time. So what command we can use it and how it can work out. So you have to please memorize some area compared to what we're discussing that. Okay, so what we're using here also. I can give the how we can check it more. How we can check the edge here. Example, we can use OC create route edge. If help command. If you give the help command, you can get everything. They can give the all the ready-made commands for you. ready-made commands. OC create route age, my route, and service name, followed by OC create pass-through, OC create re-encryption. Okay, so even you can see how the steps we can create it here. So I can pause some more 2 to 3 minutes. Just go through it one more time.
Sir, can you go to the previous steps on OC create route help?
What's the question, Ma? What's the question?
So just wanted to see that previous step, sir. OC create route and that help command.
Oh, this is the command OC create route.
Yeah, we can create the route command. Hello.
Okay, Ma. So you got some idea. So what first we can discuss the command, then later we get into the real time. What's the command here? What command we are working for? Age, pass through, re-encryption.
Pass through re-encrypt.
So if you give the tab button in your keyboard, it will show you the edge, pass through, and re-encryption. You can select the one, and if you use the help command also, you can get more information. Else you can directly move on. This is a one category. Next, you can see it here. we have to apply this only for the service mode, where you apply for the service, like age service, like front end. Okay, service front end, and we have the certificate, we have the TLS certifications, we have the key. Okay, we have the CS cert and host name and the port number. So we can give all those things. So for one service, so you have to understand, Vivek, I'm not understand means I will help you to explain. Very simple. If you take the service, if you take the what are different types of secret mode? Secret.
Yes.
Generic
DST,
TLS.
right? So if you use a
Occurrence.
if you use a TLS, what you get it there? You can get the certificate and then key, right? Same way. For if you want to make a secure way, compulsory, we need to pass a certificate. So they are passing the certificate here. That is what they are doing here. That I can explain it clearly. Just understand it. Once again.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Sorry, ma. It is some of lot of today technical discussions. One student is asked me, sir, I am the interview. Okay, this is the one kind of troubleshooting, some kind of issues they asked me. So I answered that question. So it's unavoidable, sometimes unavoidable. Please, sorry for that. Okay, let's see here. So we are discussing on the topic called OC create route edge service equal to front end. Okay, we can give any service. Example, you're running one application. What's the command to run the application?
OC new app
New app,
application
right?
like
So
an
what happen if you use this one, automatically it will create the service. Automatically it will create the service. So this
yes.
service you need to tag it here. நீங்க அந்த application service இங்க நீங்க tag பண்ணணும். You need to tag it here. For example, OC new hyphen app hyphen name XYZ. Okay, and followed by HTTPD. Okay, HTTPD. And if you do that, what command you have to give? OC get all. OC, if you give get all, it can give all things, right? Or otherwise, you can give the command called OC get service. Can everyone go to do this? And everyone can open the console and try it out like this? Have you tried before, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Have you got?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
console. Have you created at least? Have you checked your service? Have you
Yes,
got
sir.
a chance to check your service? OC
Yes.
get service.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Please, others, ma. What about others? If you please have the challenges, I am like your friend. Please call me. I'm ready to help you out and happy to share my knowledge. Okay. Now, what is supposed to do it here? OC create route edge service name, and what is the certificate you use it here, and what's the key we can pause it here, and we need to give a certificate authority followed by host name. This is what we can give the complete this area, because we need to pause a certificate. That is what happening here. So what happened here from here to here, HTTP to HTTPS to, okay, so this is, okay, we have transferred this and HTTP. So this is the complete flow will be there. So in HTTPS means what should have? It should have some certificate. So that's what we're passing the certificate, key and certificate authority. Three things we are
How
passing
can
here.
you create this certificate?
I can show you. I can show you. So first we need to understand the concept. I can show you everything lively. Okay. How to create the pass through now? Okay. Here you can see that route and route name, and we can give the service and the port. What port we can use it here? Okay. And let's see here. Let's see re-encryption. What is this? Re-encryption. OC create route re-encrypt easy. And you can see, because re-encryption means two HTTPS we are using. Are you agreeing with me? What we are using? Two times we are using HTTPS. HTTPS two times we are using means why? That's why we call it as highly secure. Highly
Secure.
secure. Highly secure means the here also one certificate and here also one certificate. Are you agreeing with me? So that's why in this case we are passing multiple certifications here. See here, certificate in here one passing one certificate. So this is a source certificate like that, and we have a destination certificate like that, and we have how we are passing here. Okay, like a certificate authority, we are passing a certificate authority like that, and key and website name. So this is how you can use it actually. For example, any of the banking application, think about it. ICICI Bank, ICICI.com. This is another bank. So this bank want to access outside means people, what they can do? First, they can create the image to container to pod. Once the pod is there, then they can check the service. Once this service, they can expose, that means route should be highly secured way. Then they can decide the re-encryption. Once the re-encryption is done, then only the outside people can access this with help of www. Okay, www. What's the name of it? icic.com. So like this method. So that's what they are giving. I just give xml.com, but actually what it come icic.com. So the certificate will be highly secured. So how come I'm saying this highly secured? So go to icic.com, go to your website, okay, and Control T, okay, icici.com, and you can check out. Okay, you can check this one and check the connection secure and check the certificate validity. You can see this and all. So you want to issue when the certificate, this is called certificate authority. You can see here CM. You can see that I just go to secure data and certificate validity, and I just zoom it a little bit. I'm not able to zoom this one. Okay, but what I can do, this actually we call it a certificate authority, certificate viewer. And even you can see the certificate authority by checking here. Okay, version ICICI Bank. You can see it here, certificate authority, intrastate certificate. Do you able to see at the top here?
Yes, yes.
So your application should be like this, ma. So that's why they are using the certificate. See here. So this is a complete process. If you want to manage your application, so what we have to do, image, to container, to pod. Okay, two we have the service. The service we need to connect to the route. The route will connect to the host name. What is the host name here? icic.com. So here we need to pass all our certificate here. The route. You got it? What we are doing now? Route, we have to pass our CRT. We need to pass our key. We need to pass our certificate authority. So if 3 we can pass means, then it can go to the icici.com. So the people that are using this, it's a very trusted one. The site is highly trusted. You got it, one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now at least you got an idea what the complete background is happening here.
Yeah.
Certificate, key, and hello, Divya, Sarita, you people particularly. So you got an idea?
Yeah, got an idea.
Previously maybe not an idea what happening here, because நீங்க எல்லா பேங்கையும் போயிட்டு நீங்க ஓபன் பண்ணி பார்க்க முடியாது. icic.com இருக்கும். இப்போ ICICI bank.com. No one can they can create a BS. This all domain are purchased by the actually ICICI Bank will purchase all these relevant domains. ICICI domains, they can purchase it actually. Otherwise other users can use it. Okay, so அதனால இப்போ வந்து land இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கவே, land nearest இருக்கிற landல your property land near the chances will be you can purchase it, right? The same way ICICIbank.com, ICICI.com, ICICIbanks.com, like that, what are domains are there, right? So that mostly they can purchase the bank, particularly they can purchase it because it's a mostly bank transaction. They can trust it. This is called phishing attack. They try to avoid a phishing attack. Phishing means the same kind of ICICI Bank மாதிரி இன்னொரு application இருக்கும், just பேர் மட்டும் டிஃபரா இருக்கும். இங்க வந்து டாட் மிஸ் ஆயிருக்கும், இல்ல கமா மிஸ் ஆயிருக்கும், இல்ல ஏ மிஸ் ஆயிருக்கும், எஸ் மிஸ் ஆயிருக்கும். So the easy to what happened here, the phishing attack, people will unfortunately they can log into another account, okay, like ICICIbanks.com, then they can share the credential, then they can get a complete address. So because of to control everything, they have the authority that is called certificate authority. You got it? What I'm trying to convey here? Certificate?
Yes, sir.
authority இது யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் பண்றாங்க. இங்க பாருங்க, கரெக்டா அந்த வெப்சைட் கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கணும், உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது. நான் பார்க்கணும் general details www.icicbank.com. okay, certificate authority, trusted certificate. So you ask, so now next question Gnanavel is asking me how to create the certificate, how to get the key, like that. I can show you that. You know already what's the command we used it in the secret. Open
SSL.
Open SSL require request.
Yes, just review that one more time.
Okay.
Okay, one more time, you just go through it. Okay, let's see here, and followed by we have go to the OC create is okay, re-encryption is okay. I can teach you tomorrow Okay, today I said right. Okay, today, okay, no, tomorrow I have some more tasks. Okay. Okay, tomorrow I can show you how to create the certificate. Today, seriously, I'm occupied with some other personal commitments. Sorry, guys, I'm not able to deliver properly today. Okay, so tomorrow I can deliver properly. So this again, we can revise on the edge pass-through re-encryption and followed by how we can create it. The commands are available. And please take the printout. Have you took the printout, Ma?
Yes, no.
This one, please take the printout. And the commands before tomorrow, we were going to show you. You try to prepare yourself and come with some good knowledge. Okay. And tomorrow I can show you how to firewall works, how to stop that one, like multiple areas. Tomorrow I can going to show you along with the PPT. Along with the PPT. In the PPT, I have explained a lot of things. Okay, documents, control of Kubernetes. Okay,
Sir, can you share the PPT in groups?
no, PPT cannot be shared, my dear friend. Okay, so go to the documents, control of Kubernetes. Okay, I can give the document, right? That's more than enough. This is a Kubernetes portion. Go to the Kubernetes. And what I want to show you in sense, I can take you to that. So I want to show you the difference. Once the difference is completed, then directly I take you to this portion. Tomorrow we are going to discuss a lot of things are there. So is it up to, we can continue up to 10:30 tomorrow? Sorry, up to 10 o'clock? 9:30, 10:30, up to 11. Is it possible tomorrow?
Yes.
I
Yes,
need to
sir.
complete number of portions. This is
Yes.
out of
Yes.
your syllabus, out of your, I repeat once again, this is out of your syllabus. But my intention, everyone to get the job. So I'm giving a Kubernetes based what errors, what things I need to discuss and how the outside things is works. I want to show you this details. I want to show you this is pending from my side. Okay, and I want to show you this as well. So maybe I need another 2 to 3 classes to complete this. So that's why I'm asking you. So if you give me a chance, me tomorrow up to 9:30 to 11 o'clock is highly used. Anyone have some tomorrow urgency 11 o'clock? Just half an hour, just plan accordingly before that. 1.5 hour we are continuing session tomorrow. Is it okay for you? Sarita, Vasant,
Yes,
Mike,
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir. No problem.
yeah,
sir.
Prakash.
No
Yeah,
problem.
sir. Yeah, sir.
Okay, sir.
It's
Okay,
okay
sir.
for
Yes,
me.
yes.
11 o'clock.
Okay.
Today I'm not able to
Yeah,
deliver
sir. Yeah.
properly because I have
Okay,
some
okay.
personal issues. It is disturbing me. So tomorrow I can deliver it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.